Rome, the eternal city, beckons with open arms. It whispers stories of emperors and gladiators. It showcases the grandeur of ancient architecture. A journey through Rome is a journey through time. Discover a city that has inspired generations. Unearth the secrets of a civilization that shaped the world. Rome's charm lies in its ability to seamlessly blend the ancient with the modern. Vespas zip past centuries-old ruins. Chic boutiques stand alongside historic churches. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the scent of ancient stones. This vibrant juxtaposition creates a unique atmosphere. It is a city where history comes alive. From the mighty Colosseum to the serene Vatican, Rome's landmarks stand as testaments to its enduring legacy. Explore the bustling streets, savor the delicious cuisine, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture. Rome is a feast for the senses. Let yourself be swept away by its timeless beauty. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Rome has it all. Come and discover the magic of the eternal city. The Colosseum stands as a symbol of Roman power and ingenuity. This ancient amphitheater once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. Its massive structure dominates the Roman skyline. Step inside and imagine the roar of the crowd. Feel the thrill of the gladiatorial combat. The Colosseum is a testament to Roman engineering. Construction began in 70 AD under Emperor Vespasian and was completed in 80 AD under his son Titus. The Colosseum could hold up to 80,000 spectators. It featured a complex system of tunnels and elevators. These were used to transport animals and gladiators to the arena. Imagine the scale of the events held within its walls. The Colosseum has witnessed centuries of history. It has survived earthquakes, fires, and neglect. Today, it stands as a reminder of Rome's glorious past. Walk through its corridors and imagine the gladiators preparing for battle. Despite its age, the Colosseum continues to inspire awe and wonder. Stand in the arena and feel the echoes of history. The Colosseum is a place where legends were made. Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, is a spiritual and cultural hub. Home to the Pope and the Catholic Church, it is a place of immense religious significance. The Vatican museums house an unparalleled collection of art and artifacts. St. Peter's Basilica is a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. The Sistine Chapel, with its breathtaking frescoes, is a highlight of any visit. Vatican City is a place of peace and contemplation, a place where the spiritual and the artistic converge. Trevi Fountain, Whispers of Wishes. The Trevi Fountain, a Baroque masterpiece, is one of Rome's most iconic landmarks. Its cascading waters and intricate sculptures create a magical atmosphere. Legend has it that tossing a coin into the fountain ensures a return trip to Rome. Make a wish and toss a coin into the sparkling water. The Trevi Fountain was designed by Nicola Salvi and completed in 1762. Its central figure is Neptune, the god of the sea. He is surrounded by tritons and horses. The fountain's intricate details and dynamic composition make it a true work of art. Admire the skill of the sculptors who brought this masterpiece to life. The tradition of tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain dates back to ancient times. Today, the tradition continues as a way to ensure a return trip to Rome. Join the throngs of visitors and toss your coin into the fountain. The Trevi Fountain is a place of romance and magic. Stand before the fountain and feel its enchanting energy. Exploring ancient wonders Pantheon and Roman Forum. The Pantheon, a temple to all the gods, showcases Roman engineering. Its dome, with a central oculus, is one of the largest unreinforced concrete domes. The oculus allows natural light to flood the interior. The Roman Forum, once the heart of Rome, is a sprawling ruin of temples and public spaces. Walk through this ancient city center and feel the echoes of history. The Pantheon and the Roman Forum are windows into the soul of ancient Rome. Beyond the icons, hidden gems, and culinary delights, Rome is filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Wander through narrow streets, charming piazzas, and local markets. These corners offer a glimpse into Rome's authentic character. Indulge in traditional dishes like pasta carbonara and supply. Visit a trattoria and savor Roman cuisine with fresh ingredients. Try a scoop of gelato from the city's many gelaterias. The creamy flavors are the perfect way to end a day. Rome's hidden gems and culinary delights reveal its rich heritage.